everybody, welcome back. We've got surf today, finally, for the first time in a long time. It's been a horrible, absolutely horrible summer and start to fall out here for surf season on the Great Lakes. It's been just brutal. We haven't had maybe 6 days up here on Huron in the last 8 months. So we have got winds pumping. It's all Thanksgiving weekend this weekend for us here. 3-4 days solid of wind, which is absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna get after it. I've got everything I need in here. We got the retro twin in here. We got the foamy play around on. I've got my kiteboard gear and stuff in here just in case I need it, but I don't think I'm going to use my kite stuff because it is pumping out front right now, 4th, 5th bar way overhead. So it's going to be good. I'm going to get suited up. We're going to get on it. Don't want to waste any time. And if you can't tell, I'm frothing to get out there because we haven't had this in a very long time. It's been a horrible start to the season. So let's dive right into it. Oh, that's a good bottle out. We're way out off. Got it. Yeah, baby, let's go. Really feels good. There's the one I had to put a new fin box in there a couple months ago after wrecking it in Nicaragua. It feels pretty good. Cant's on, so feels alright out here. I love playing on this thing. It's one of the best boards I've ever shaped. Love it. Whee! Oh my god. Ooh, that's a Charlie horse. Oh my god. Who else has that happen to them in the middle of surfing? Oh my god. It's been a great little afternoon. Got done doing some work. Got the girlfriend down here, so it's awesome. She's been in playing in the shallow, still learning, so we're good there. Yeah, it's been a great day. Can't wait for more of that. Even more sets coming now.